Good? She tell me say her mother. Is she that?
Yeah.
So you never tell me say your mother a young girl.
Ah, no,
Eh?
girl. So what are you doing?
Miss Robinson,
No, that's it.
how you doing? Good. When you never tell me say your mother a young girl, I come here expect one old lady.
Sure.
Yeah? Yeah? Young like a what? So you good? I am good. I am happy you chose us and we're eh? We have a video. Oh, you video her? Say hi for me. Tell the folks some hi for me. Tell the folks some hi for me. You can see her? Just say yard, Brad. Sign up. You hear that? Thank you so much for choosing us there. And you look like your mommy. You look like you're looking at one mirror. Oh my God. Alright, take care, yeah? Alright, Daddy, take care. Thank you, yeah? Good. Hey guys, what's up? You see that? Nice customers them a tell we hype on the WhatsApp. Technology nice, see? She shipped the package from overseas. We want to deliver it to her mommy. And she's telling us hi on WhatsApp. Love technology. And I love the fact that you guys have decided to join us. All you guys who clicked on the link and join us, welcome to the family. We're going to give you some nice, clean chicken, Jamaica style. Alright? Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.